Hi everyone, my name is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I post things all plants. That made no sense. I post about things all plants. I like plants. If you like plants, follow me. Anyway, today's video, I thought I would show you guys my Hoya collection. So as you can see here, I've got a couple sitting up here. I've actually got quite a few of them, but I've recently moved and a lot of my collection is still at my mum's house. So I'll insert some videos of my recent trip back home to show you my collection back home as well. But let's get started. The first Hoya I want to show you guys is this is a Hoya Compactor. So it's a outside variegation version of it. It's also, the common name is a Hindu rope or an Indian rope plant, but yeah, it's a Hoya Compactor. I love it. It's one of my favorite plants. It comes in all different types, different varieties. There's like the dwarf variety, there's the standard one, there's also a inside variegation, which I have that one as well. I'll show you later in the footage I have, but here she is. She's beautiful.
So this is the footage from my mum's house. So the compactor in the middle there is the inside variegation. The one on the very end is the standard one that's just about to flower. And coming up on the screen on the right is the dwarf variety.
The second plant I want to show you today is a variegated Hoya carnosa crimson queen. So this is actually really fast growing compared to the other Hoyas I've got, so really like it. I also have a cutting of the standard version of it as well, which is this one here. I've accidentally put the cutting in upside down. Sorry, that's my bird. Chucky! Thank you. Yeah, so I've put it in upside down and it's rooted upside down, so that's a bit fun. Oh no! Oh, that's okay, it's just a fuzzy root. I thought it was a mealy bug. But anyway, fast growing, a lot of really pretty variegation, so it's a really pretty plant. So the third plant, let's just get it out here. So this is a Hoya obervata, I believe it's called. I could be butchering the names, I have no idea. I'm sorry, I'm Australian and I can't say things properly. So these leaves growing quite round, I really like that. It's a bit speckledy. And I've got a new leaf forming there. She's really, really cute, so I'm excited to see her grow. I actually have this in the splash version as well, although this kind of looks like the splash because there's little bits on it, but I don't know. I can't tell the difference between a normal one and the splash variety. Sometimes the normal ones have splashes on it, so do I have two splashes? I don't know. Let me know.
Here is the splash variety of the plant. So as you can see, it's a lot more speckled or splashed than the standard one, but yeah, I think it's really pretty.
For the fourth plant, we have a Hoya kerrii, or Hoya kerrii, I don't know how it's pronounced. It's also known as a sweetheart Hoya as well. So this is the standard variety. We've got some new leaf growth up here. This is also a super slow growing plant. I love the leaf shape, but yeah, it takes forever to grow. I actually have one that has been grown from a single leaf cutting. Well, it was like one of those Valentine's Day plants that was just sitting in soil, and I had been watering it for years, and then just one day it just sprouted. So I'll insert the video to show you what that one looks like now that I've grown. This one is not that one. This one I bought separately, but yeah.
So believe it or not, this is the plant that has been grown from a tiny little Valentine's Day cutting. As you can see here, I haven't done anything to it. This is like the original soil that came with, so I did end up repotting it. But this is the leaf it grew from. So apparently this is really like rare for it to actually happen. I was just really fortunate, so thank you.
Okay, this plant here is also a Hoya kerrii, but this is a variegated version of it, so it's the outside variegation again, and I think she's absolutely beautiful. When I first got her, she was actually really sad. She had some wrinkly, bad looking leaves that I thought I was going to lose her completely, but since I've had her in my care, she's really springed up, and so she's got a new leaf coming in here. So there was a couple of leaves that were knocked off. There's actually even this part here has got 2 leaves on it, but there's another leaf coming through, so I think she's going to start branching off from that node there. Yeah, so when I first got her, I actually took some cuttings. I will show you. As I was saying, I thought I was actually going to lose the plant completely, so I took some insurance cuttings, I guess, and just in case it dies, cuttings. So yeah, they're doing really well. I actually took a couple and I put it in a Ziploc bag with some sphagnum moss, and after a little while they began to root, and I don't know if you can see on the camera, we've got some new growth coming in on this leaf here. This one did have a leaf attached to it as well, which is this one here, but it's just fallen off and died. So I'm hoping where that leaf has fallen off, new growth will come from there. But both of them have rooted quite well, so I'm excited to see how they grow. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see any more of my houseplant collection, because I have a few. And yeah, if you like this, let me know and I'll post more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.